Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. Thank you. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Tell me about yourself.
Madam, I am Florence, mother of Shaina Sarah Hebron. I work in Canara Bank, posted in Ranchi, and my husband works in SBI and is posted in Patna.
Nice, ma'am. How is the online interactive session going?
Madam, first I would like to appreciate your efforts because you're so punctual in that for sending the links in the mentioned time. Every day, like I have said, that I don't attend the classes with my daughter. My mother and my daughter, they both attend the classes. And every day they prepare themselves and get ready by that time and waiting for the link. And they sit before the mobile that the link will come and they'll join the classes. And really, I'll appreciate this online classes because I don't have to come back from the office and ask my mother that what has been taught in the class, what was the classwork, what is the homework, etc. Because from the office itself, no, I go through the WhatsApp group and I get all the information that what was the activity being done in the class or what was the classwork, what homework. Because every parent and every child there is so regularly they, I mean frequently and regularly they response in they, I mean to say, they respond so well in the group along with the parent and the children that I get all the information from the group itself.
Very nice. Is your child enjoying the classes?
Yes, yes, ma'am. She enjoys the classes because she interacts with you also. She greets to you also. She greets her friends also. And because the most important thing that she has developed a fear of a teacher. Because on that on the day of PTM, she was very conscious and nervous that what all we will discuss. So that's the main thing, that she has developed a fear of a teacher.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me some positive changes in China.
Ma'am, like I've always said that I look behind. As as a few months back, that she was unable to speak clear words, and her sentences were not clear and not. I mean, concept-wise also, she has developed so much. Whenever speaks, she speaks with the concept, and she has developed the skill of mugging up. Yeah, I mean, she has learned the poems, Hindi kavita or English poems so well. So it is a good change that I have observed in her.
Thank you, ma'am. Did you like the fun learning activities like Mother's Day, Teacher's Day, Father's Day?
Ma'am, more than children, we parents enjoy them because more because in spite of children, no, we involve ourselves more in that activity because we take efforts that our children should perform, in the crafts activity or fancy dress competition. So even they also enjoy that their parents are getting involved in these activities. So Shaina also enjoys all these fancy dress and craft making activities, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am. Any feedback on the way of teaching?
Ma'am, everything is good and fabulous because as I go through the syllabus, no, though I go through the syllabus, I find that these things are quite tough for these children. But as you teach them, I find that they have learned and they have grasped the things. They have picked up the things so fast that it will be very easier for them for further in the schools. So at preschool level, it is good that they are learning so much through online classes.
Thank you, ma'am. Any suggestions to improve the online classes?
Ma'am, I would only one thing I would like to suggest you, let them respond to your commands. Whatever command that you give, no, let them respond in English so that they can, in school, whenever they'll get admission in school, so that they will be there will be a easier way to understand all those things.
Thank you, ma'am, for coming and giving your suggestions.